months now we travel one and
because you can know you went back for first car the project is a cost
yeah
it's not very by the riverside we realize no go back then I'll be but what just to say the ever up now series the brain ever now share the quality share the standard and share the professionalism most in now done reason means that there is no money and to me pano ne teku kakra one ho no on fa go twa ne no meton ne den into ordin sa but the painful aspect ne say our TV stations need be brave ehu say boys na omutwa muti fa nyame and obi oni me series no say I rotate from TV station to TV station we don't come no between because me I won't allow you to put me down say obe control me you see me most of the TV stations and you should these boys any TV series no so they do who the content the back one character also better airtime
wa better
airtime na who we are one watch now time and fashion yes sir on no TV station is not giving you anything on my any marketing place out about marketing content now why because on only wait no I was there novella so but because on himself our already a friend of the guidelines for TV you know some guidelines you know Emma no kwan say on for local content in TV mu you know in local content na all make it from
but or make sure say at least
or feeling guideline and no o content say you say no fashion because we feeling on won't make it be a few
I see say wow
but on they feeling the time because of guidelines now what play on your mind not the time novellas no and mama make it at the end of the day oh me boam oh look out for me boam but or you should because look let me share the local TV series the local TVs how many of them you repeating a week. How many of them now your mom 2 times to show a week? Every TV series I want TV series once a week. Then you can 5 times, 3 times a week. Almost you also repeat
in the weekend.
So that should tell you say or you should know to fill the airtime. Now on the time of better I'm making sika. But who local person for fight? I know about what time I catch you say oh say my local content. Of course you no go go. Look at Nigeria. What is a for here? The only TV shows I will say, Kojo, friend is some of the top artists be woke. People are producers are they pay their dues. And those producers have been in the industry for long with knowing how to get these people and do pay with them. But the young people remember for all these years, they do they.
But you might want to ask something.
Yeah, add it.
With this telenovela thing, I learned there is a law in Ghana. I bet me I shut down this.
Oh, and that is where I come in as Okayabai. You see, the kind of see I know my boss the TV stations need now build on my really call to the broadcasting law in New Ghana by your copyright law. Copyright law is stated clear. Say you'll be a friend of public domain works. Public domain works in your content that do not have its rights in Ghana. And until everywhere could be any right in Ghana, be in a public domain. So now when we the new board na here ban me as a person I say what office I mean say this and I'm not going to have you ban our right to copyright, right to attorney general to make them pay. Because you have to pay for the things you are doing because oh say me at the end of the day no sound so fast can even free of charge. Because my for example me program no because it was big high institutions more the marketing team or market who the funny thing TV stations need be black I'm monopolize system to the extent say who produce and the sponsorship I catch yourself oh yeah third party team for my sponsor
this alcohol station
and this alcohol station no so that station so no catch you say content now dey bring no for me enti dey bro no ma ube say TV series na TV so advert so but advert is care ba no TV station na mu mo wo na nya no ne ko because I mean no na e ko dia ana be who percentage e buy na me no watch no catch you say who the bad dia me odia 40 me dey 60 me so me dey buy odia 40 me dey 60 now ono kwa akwaji a onfa wonko enti ono dey na akwaji na so akwaji 100,000 obeti me catch us me dey 10,000 ti na catch us so because on offer document ni na me kire ebo ono ma ono he na so hu se sika na eba no sama no rasa aka catch us me dey ye bonus me dey time na who TV is o wa bet no me dey ye bonus ama omo because omo invest in the program for bi It's all advert now about TV no. Obo ma bonus. And do nya dem film. Who else am I catch me say the local content no. Saying because the TV stations they say they are playing smart on our heads. And this year, that is the one key thing I say any money problem. Number one, telenovelas no. Omuni. You need everything that stop you. Name on me a bit because the man is tiaka. And every telenovela be a bit yanka.
The better boy is out here.
Good. Every telenovela be a new honoma who need documents from original producer and other converter but cheap. Because you must have a document, say, on normal prices to translate in any language. And it's a who needs a document in actually say translated by cheap. That's not translated by cheap. Yeah, but you. For them to realize that this year we are serious with them. Because NCCB, they are just playing on us. And our face also. Look at a DSTV, any Go TV. How many local films now who are on my channels? Because the films are working with the Nigerian media. So then they also have to sit down. And I said they are in Ghana, I don't win in Nigeria. So it's almost a channel to shoot films and make sure they're also giving us an opportunity on them in Nigeria. Say they yes, so an opportunity to shoot Ghanaian films here in Ghana for them to also advert on their DSTV and they should also stop. Because over a part of it. What means so I can Ghana member advertising now uncle. Means so I Nigeria go for it because there's a system. The same applies to the telecommunication people. What means so I also this can also need drop and anything. But this system is until everybody thinks a free of charge system near free. And I ain't bread. And to know understand the panel was a black local content. Oh, TV for me, ma, it's a TV series are also. But TV series not also. Doctor, me seriously, Sanka, me here, and I'm near sponsors they're running for 1 year. I would have me cry. Me 200,000 Ghana cedi.
And sell fast war.
Me fast 200,000 Ghana cedi. Doctor, who? Make me say they got 2 standard TV series in Ghana.
Let us say a
Let's assume so Obi again is an common boy. Who TV station no be sika kakra. Me so menya kakra.
Investors when you
me so make kwa for. Ebe den na me artist baba abonti abeka say accommodate. Ebe den na me cameraman baba say accommodate. Because when I'm investing, I invest with all these things. But me this sika nti no, say me kofa pa Georgia, me man 500 Ghana cedi. Masa pa the church 500, money 200 advance.
We are na say e ton and say e tumi ba TV so na say nya sponsors ah. Ebia mama 15 na kwenim kakra me dey 100 aso.
That is